Hello everyone, today we are going to watch test fire of KGK. But, first of all, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it is free. TÜBİTAKSAGE continues to work even under COVID-19 pandemic. Defense Industries Research and Development Institute of Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey continues to develop its products. On 2nd of April, TÜBİTAKSAGE and Turkish Air Force 401 Test Squadron performed a successful test firing of the Wing Assisted Guidance Kit, KGK. KGK is a wing-assisted guidance kit that converts existing unguided 1,000 pounds Mk-83 and 500 pounds Mk-82 general-purpose bombs into long-range, air-to-ground smart weapons. With KGK, the bombs have the capability of precision hitting of the target from 100 km range, in all weather conditions, providing aircraft to complete the mission safely without entering into enemy air defense zone.